Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Mixcloud tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way I've found to live stream to Mixcloud. So if you've never heard of Mixcloud, Mixcloud is a live streaming service. It's kind of centered around DJs and radio shows. And that's because their service is kind of centered around licensing music. So any music you play as a DJ on their live streaming service will be licensed. You don't have to be worried about being taken down or it being illegal in any way. Now, the only downside of Mixcloud is that it does cost $15 a month to live stream through their service, but that pays for that licensing of the music that you're playing. Now, in this tutorial, we'll be using a service to live stream to Mixcloud called Restream. And they have a really cool tool that allows you to live stream directly from your browser. So we'll be able to live stream to Mixcloud from a browser so we can have a low budget computer. We can also do this from a Chromebook if you wanted to. So you will not have to download and install any software. We'll be using the browser on your computer alone. And Restream does have a very capable free service that will allow you to do the steps in this tutorial. But if you want to have things such as like removing Restream's branding from your stream or have recordings of your live stream, things like that, you will have to have a paid version of Restream. In full disclosure, this tutorial is sponsored by Restream, so thank you to Restream for making this video possible. And if you decide to actually upgrade to one of the paid versions of Restream, check the description because if you use my link, you'll get $10 off your first month. All right, so let's get started with how to live stream to Mixcloud using Restream. So the first thing we need to do is just go to mixcloud.com, sign up for an account, and what I recommend doing is going ahead and starting the 30-day trial because you'll need to have a pro membership in order to live stream on Mixcloud. All right, so once we have our Mixcloud Pro account and we have all that set up, now we need to go to restream.io. And again, check the link in the description. I recommend using that if you ever plan on upgrading in the future because you'll get $10 off your first month. So go ahead, go here, create your account, and then log in. So now that we have our Mixcloud and our Restream accounts, we need to connect Restream to Mixcloud. And we do that in Restream by making sure you're on the dashboard in the left sidebar and then select Add Channel. In here, we want to find Mixcloud, which is just on the right side. Select it. And what it's going to ask you for is a stream key. So this we need to get from Mixcloud. To get this from Mixcloud, all we need to do is select Live up here in the top toolbar. And then you'll see Broadcast Live. Select that. We first need to configure the name of our live stream. So I'll just do test, confirm the stream name. And then the next step is to set up our stream key, and that is just going to be this number right here. So go ahead and copy that, go back to Restream, and then paste it into the stream key area. And then select Add Channel. So now as you can see, when it takes you back to your list of destinations, you can see Mixcloud right here. And you want to make sure that this is toggled on. Now with Restream, if you did want to live stream it to other platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, anything like that, all you need to do is just add those channels and then make sure they're turned on. And whenever you live stream to Mixcloud, you'll also be multi-streaming to those different platforms. Now that we have Mixcloud configured in Restream, we're ready to start live streaming. And we can do that from the browser without having to download any software by just selecting Enter Live Studio on the dashboard of Restream. When you enter Live Studio, it's going to ask you for access to your microphone and camera. So allow that. And then your webcam will show up here. And this is a preview, as you can see up here, of what your live stream will look like. Now, I do have a more in-depth video I'll link in the description that goes over how to use all of Live Studio here, including the chat options, the graphics, and the menus down here. But just real quick, I want to give you a lay of the land so that you can use this and configure it to work better with Mixcloud. So at the bottom here, we have a mute button. This will turn on and off your microphone. Then you can turn on and off your webcam using this button here. If you want to share your screen or include a browser window, maybe some music software, something like that, we can add that by selecting the share screen icon at the bottom. The first thing you want to do, if you want to share any audio from what you're screen sharing, go ahead and select share audio right here. And then you can share either your entire screen, you can share a select application, or even a Chrome tab. I'm going to be sharing Spotify just for fun. Once we add that, it'll show up in the right panel right here, and we can enable it by just hitting this little button. So now it'll show up where I'm live streaming my webcam and I'm live streaming Spotify. They also have different layouts and configurations you can do here to kind of make that fit. And you can also make them full screen or even have like your webcam in a small version by just selecting this option right here for Spotlight. You can even configure overlays, a background image, and add your logo by using graphics right here. Now, the last thing I'll show you is how to change your audio inputs, outputs, and also how to change your webcam. And that's just going to be with this gear right here. Select that. You can change your video input, your audio input, which could be useful if you had an external microphone or some sort of mixing hardware, something like that. You can see what the input looks like. And then down here in the advanced settings, you can even change the quality and enable stereo input, which would be very important for Mixcloud. All right, so now that we have that all ready to go, all we need to do to go live on Mixcloud is select Go Live. So now we are live. When we go back to Mixcloud, you can see that we're live. You can see that we're live. You can see an example of that. You can hear my audio, everything like that. Currently, there is a limitation with Mixcloud where the only way to see the chat is on the Mixcloud site. So you can see the chat here and interact with it. They are building the capabilities for it to show up in Restream in the chat here, but currently you can only see it on the Mixcloud site. Hopefully Mixcloud adds that feature in the future. Now, whenever we're done live streaming, all we need to do is select Finish right here. Confirm that you want to end your live stream, and then your live stream has stopped. And when you go back to Mixcloud, it'll be off the air. All right, so that's how you live stream to Mixcloud with Restream Live Studio. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Mixcloud or Restream tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.